Hey y'all, hey, what is up? My name is Shamika. I am the founder of Caffeine Amore Hair. I help save women time and less frustration by providing a 4-step lace wig system for individuals who wear lace wigs, and I specialize for women like me who are suffering from alopecia by providing you a bomb custom-made lace wigs, okay? So I will be launching the very first lace wig challenge this month. Yes, this month. This lace wig challenge is going to cover 3 days, and by the time you get done this lace wig challenge, you're going to know how to pluck your hairlines, make an amazing parts, bleach your knots, cover the lace, make sure it matches, and make sure your wig just looks natural, boo. That's what we're going to do, and it's not going to be hard. All the products that you'll need, we will send you during this lace wig challenge. Just be ready to have fun, put in a little bit of work and a little bit of practice, and by the time you get done the 3rd day, you will have your lace wig installed, and you will feel so comfortable and so confident that finally somebody gave you the tips and tricks to make sure that your lace wig is looking beautiful and nobody's looking at your forehead like this. Yeah, they ain't gonna be doing that no more because your lace wig will be melted like everything. All right, so if you're interested, make sure you drop a comment in this video and say, I'm interested, and someone will be hitting you up for additional information. I'll talk to y'all later. See you. Peace.